I'm here in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan at the Berry Barn, where they grow the famous Saskatoon berries. It's why the city has its name, and I'm here to meet Dale MacKay, a celebrity chef who's going to explain to me why he's come back to his hometown. Okay, so how do I know which ones we can pick?
Well, let's go a little bit higher up here, and I'll pull down a branch here. You can kind of tell the difference of some of them are starting to dry up on the berry, which, you know, a lot of the time we produce the dried berries and you can use them all winter. But then if they're kind of plump looking like these ones right here, they're ready for the pick.
Wow. Can I taste one now?
Yeah, do it.
All right. It's good. How did you get into this? How did you get into cooking?
I quit school at 14 and moved to Vancouver at 15 on my 15th birthday, and I started washing dishes in a chain restaurant, and I just kind of started cooking. Somebody didn't show up to work one day, and I got put on the line, and I literally have never stopped cooking since that day. So I just went from better place to better place. I never went to culinary school or any of that kind of stuff. I just decided to keep working, and it's turned out okay.
So you're really self-taught?
Yeah, I mean, I've had some very good mentors. You know, I was with Gordon Ramsay for almost 7 years, and I got to open up, I think, about 12 restaurants with him at the time throughout those years.
Wow.
And then I was with Danielle Boulud for about 3 years as well out of New York.
Do you think that you being here has changed Saskatoon in any way?
It's exciting to be in a smaller city like Saskatoon and give people a new concept. Like Six and Stone's our latest one, you know, with the Japanese Korean. The design's very cool. It feels, you know, like you could be in Brooklyn or in Tokyo or anywhere. You know, for years, Saskatoon had the most restaurants per capita in Canada. So we've always had a ton of restaurants. But I think we just needed to kind of up the game on the quality and bringing some new ideas and some new things into town.
That's very cool. Do we have enough?
Yep.
Very good. I'm here with Chef Dale MacKay at his restaurant, Aiden Kitchen and Bar. He's going to show me what we can do with those Saskatoon berries.
Yeah, so there's so many things we can do with Saskatoon berries. So we're going to do, one of my favorite pies in general is buttermilk pies. I love a little bit of tang and that kind of stuff, and the Saskatoon berries go really well with buttermilk, especially because they're a little bit savory as well. So we're just going to take a little bit of pie dough that I made earlier and get this rolled out, and then we'll make the filling, and we'll make ourselves a buttermilk pie.
Beautiful.
All right, so we got our Saskatoon berry buttermilk pie. Again, one of my favorite pies ever. I love the buttermilk, and obviously I love the Saskatoon berries. And when you put in the berries like that, as you can kind of see how the sugar and everything starts kind of caramelizing all around the berries. I can't wait to eat it. And then pop at the end, slide your knife out. Yeah, just a slice of pie and maybe some ice cream or something, depending on what it's for. Good.
You know what the best part is? The lemon.
Yeah.
Well, thanks, Dale. Thanks for showing me all these wonderful things.
Welcome.
Maybe I'll take up some cooking.
Now you know a few things.